While the best kitchen tools can vary based on individual cooking styles and preferences, here are some essential and innovative options that have been popular in 2024. Number 1. Kanbom Manual Rotary Cheese Grater and Grinder. I'm absolutely thrilled with the Rotary Cheese Grater Cheese Shredder. This kitchen gadget has made shredding cheese so much easier and faster. The rotary design allows for effortless grating, and the interchangeable blades provide versatility for shredding different types of cheese. The construction is sturdy and durable, and it's easy to disassemble for cleaning. Plus, it's compact and doesn't take up much space in my kitchen drawer. Overall, I highly recommend this cheese grater to anyone looking for a convenient and efficient way to shred cheese for their favorite dishes. Number 2. Full-Star Vegetable Chopper and Slicer. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a game-changer in the realm of kitchen gadgets, and its multifunctional design has revolutionized my food preparation routine. This all-in-one tool combines the convenience of a vegetable chopper, spiralizer, and onion chopper, making it a must-have for anyone who values efficiency in the kitchen. Number 3. Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage containers. I've been using the Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage for a while now, and I'm genuinely impressed. The durability of these containers is unmatched. Despite regular use in the microwave and dishwasher, they've held up without any signs of wear. No cracks, scratches, or cloudiness. The variety of sizes is perfect for my needs, from storing small leftovers to packing lunches, and the cost is reasonable for the quality you get. The airtight seal keeps food fresh longer, and I love that they're leak-proof, making them ideal for soups or sauces. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Can Opener. This is by far the best can opener we have ever used. After trying several different versions of hand can openers and one electric one, we were always disappointed they didn't work long. This product changed all that for us. It works so well and we've had zero issues. I love the way that it cuts around the side of the can, limiting sharp edges and mess all at once. It's nice enough to leave on the kitchen counter for easy use, or small enough to tuck away in a cabinet if you don't want it out. Just a good product that everyone needs in their kitchen, and for an absolutely great price for what you get. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. This salad spinner has exceeded my expectations in every way. Its amazing spinning action, durability, and ease of use have made my salad preparation process more efficient and enjoyable. I highly recommend it to anyone who loves fresh, crisp salads without the excess water. It's a game changer, and I can't imagine my kitchen without it. 5 stars all the way.